You get it in the
Virginia. Grass fields. Exciting. You guys care if I video?
No, go.
Just show this little, sometimes these shelters are so different. And it's cool. What is this shelter called?
Chestnut.
Chestnut Knob.
It
Look,
used to
there's
be
even a fire.
There used to be a fire wardens. Wait,
And what is your name?
Misty.
Nick, what is it?
Misty.
Misty?
Yeah.
And what was your trail name again?
Kudzu.
Kudzu. I keep thinking honeysuckle because you were talking about, and then I was thinking of,
That would be a much nicer name.
yeah, and it
than my
smells
husband- than
delicious.
than my family.
Another invasive species. And there's a spider out there and this beautiful view. A little preview over there. That was quite a little hike.